A lot of you look forward to having free time or maybe go shopping with family. Shopping is one of the life situations where you may need to use what you have studied in math, right? So, we learned in the previous lessons how to define the elements of algebraic expressions and how to write verbal expressions that represent algebraic expressions that represent real-world scenarios. Today, in Lesson 5, Evaluating Algebraic Expressions, we will continue our study of algebraic expressions in shopping situations, and we will evaluate the algebraic expressions when we put a value in the place value of the variable. We will start with the real-world situation in the activity shopping at the mall. Let's start. Look at the image of the t-shirts. Imagine you want to buy some t-shirts. Each t-shirt costs 100 LE. And you have a coupon for 40 LE off for the entire purchase. Let's think together. Was the coupon for single item or any number of items? How did you determine the cost of your purchase with the coupon? I'll give you time to think, and when we get back, I will show you how my students thought about the questions of these activities. Let's see what my students find out.
I thought that the coupon was 40 Egyptian pounds off. This means I will subtract 40 pounds from the first t-shirt only. And after that, in every t-shirt I will buy, I will add 100 pounds. This means I will subtract 40 from the first t-shirt. So I will pay 60. Then I will add 100 pounds in every other t-shirt.
I thought that as long as the discount is one time for the entire purchase. So I can count the number of t-shirts, then multiply them by 100, then subtract 40 from the total.
You may also have thought like your colleagues or in another ways in this situation. But I'm sure that you have used numeric expressions and the order of operations. That's what we will focus on in Build and Connect, Write and Expression activity. There are two questions. Question 1, what algebraic expression can we write to represent the situation? Explain what each symbol in your expression represents. I'll give you time to think of the answer to question 1. We will discuss the expression when we are back. I'm sure you wrote the correct form. We said a while ago that we will calculate the total cost of the t-shirts and then subtract the value of the coupon. We know that the cost, let's see here. For example, if we are going to buy one t-shirt, then we will multiply 1 times 100, right? And subtract from it the value of the coupon, right? Which is how many? Exactly, 40 LE. So the cost will be 100 minus 40, right? It equals 60 LE. And if we buy 2 t-shirts, what we're going to do? Exactly, we're going to do 2 multiply 100. And then subtract 40 from the result, right? That will be 200 minus 40 equals exactly 160 LE. And so on. Since the number of t-shirts that we will buy is not specified, so it's possible here to use a variable that represents the number of t-shirts, right? It can be X, for example. So we write 100 times X. Let's write it here. 100 times X. Here it means 100 times X. Let's write this 0. Okay, then we subtract 40. So this is the expression like we write it here. After we have represented the situation by an algebraic expression, you can now answer the second question.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.